Welcome back to Preservation Travels with Lane and Kevin here at our Restoration Nation, and today we're taking you to Edelweiss. As you come in, you can't help but notice that this beautiful home is constructed in the Swiss Chalet style, and it's the only one of its kind in the state of Mississippi. And frankly, it's the only one of its kind I've ever had the opportunity to see. This home was built in 1883 by coal merchant Joseph O'Brien. Joseph's business was under the hill here in Natchez, and Edelweiss sits just at the top of above the hill and has the most spectacular view of the Mississippi River you've ever seen. Let's take a look around at some of the beautiful historic features that remain in this incredible one-of-a-kind property. We're going to start right here with this incredible newel post. Now, while the current owners have decorated Edelweiss in a thoroughly modern style, they've retained all of its incredible architectural historic features. I love this newel post. Of course, you can see very typical East Lake aesthetic style, 1883 high style design here, but I love that the top of this newel post mimics the roof line that you'll see outside of Edelweiss, and the newel post itself looks like a tiny Swiss chalet. This double entrance is very unique here in Natchez. We don't have many. We see these mostly reserved for places that have inclement weather in the winter time, and we certainly don't have that. But why we do have it here is because Edelweiss faces almost due west. So in the late afternoon, you're going to get the full sun coming in the front door. So you see we have these incredible original front doors with their beautiful beveled glass, but at the top we have louvers. We have these all over Natchez. We have them on all of our porches, many of our front doors, and they're called jalousies, and they're served to block the sun to keep the interior temperatures cool. Come inside, let me show you the second set of front doors so you can see some of the beautiful East Lake inscribed detail. We love our Miracle sheets so much. We're slowly replacing all of our sheets with only Miracle sheets. And my parents just got their first 2 sets and they absolutely love them.
Miracle Made sheets are inspired by NASA and use silver-infused fabrics that are temperature regulating so you can sleep at the perfect temperature all night long. Miracle sheets are self-cleaning. Their sheets are infused with silver that prevent up to 99.7% of bacterial growth, leaving them to stay cleaner and fresh 3 times longer than other sheets. No more gross odors. They're self-cooling. The silver-infused fabrics inspired by NASA are thermoregulated and designed to keep you at the perfect temperature all night long, no matter the weather. So, you get better sleep every night. They're designed for your skin. Stop sleeping on gross bacteria. Bacteria that can clog your pores, cause breakout and acne. Sleep clean with Miracle. Go to trymiracle.com/restore to try Miracle Made sheets today. And whether you're buying them for yourself or as a gift for a loved one, if you order today, you can save over 40%. And if you use our promo code RESTORE at checkout, you'll get 3 free towels and save an extra 20%. Miracle is so confident in their product, it's backed by a 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you aren't 100% satisfied, you'll get a full refund. Upgrade your sleep with Miracle Made. Go to trymiracle.com/restore and use the code RESTORE to claim your 3-piece towel set and save over 40%.
Will you be the next convert to the miracle of Miracle Sheets? Thank you, Miracle Sheets, for sponsoring this episode. And then we have this absolutely stunning second set of front doors. You see the incredible incised carving at the top, all of the original hardware here on the back plates and on the front door hinges. You'll see that repeated throughout the house. Come inside, let's see some more incredible details. It's hard to get good perspective in this house because these ceilings are 14 feet tall, but I had to show you the incredible wheel cut glass transom above the door. They're absolutely stunning. And again, they show motifs that are of the 1883 period, but you definitely see a Swiss influence in the style of flower that we have there. Also in this interior, we'll have these incredible concave cornices, an incredible stair that rises with a beautiful banister, gorgeous newel post, and the panel design down the side is absolutely extraordinary. Now, remember, the original owner was the owner of a coal manufacturing and distributing company. So all of the fireplaces in Edelweiss were originally coal burning. They all retain their beautiful original cast iron mantelpieces, and they're all in absolutely spectacular condition. Now, very rarely will you see me stand during an architectural history tour and show you a poster, but there's a reason we're going to talk about that. This home is actually the pied-à-terre for Natchez native Greg Iles, who writes beautiful books taking place here in Natchez, Mississippi, and in the surrounding area. And his most recent work, A Southern Man, just made its debut, and of course is on the New York Times bestseller list, as all of his books are. Sometimes it's hard for people who don't necessarily know historic architecture by heart to walk into a home that's decorated like this in a modern style and see that it is still a historic home and there are still incredible elements from its earliest days left here. They're everywhere in this home. Look at the incredible door hinges that hold every one of these 8-foot doors in place. Absolutely spectacular. The escutcheons on all of the key locks. You have your beautiful cornices that surround every one of the ceilings. I love the way they wrap all the fireplaces. And of course, these gorgeous, gorgeous cast iron mantelpieces. Absolutely beautiful elements. Your thick moldings, your beautiful trim, your high mop boards, and of course the gorgeous floors that feet have trod upon for the last 150 years. Keeping in line with our chalet theme, you see these gorgeous windows that have, again, this pyramidal shape that mimic the look of the roofline of the exterior, a chalet style. You just don't see these every day. Of course, architecturally, this home is so important to Natchez and the state of Mississippi, but it also holds a unique place in the cultural heritage post-Civil War here in Natchez during the Industrial Revolution. We're sitting right on the Mississippi River. The coal would have come down the Mississippi River. It would have been offloaded under the hill. It would have come up the hill from Mr. O'Brien's distribution center. And then it would have made its way over to the train depot just up the street, where it would have made its way onto the train to be carried across the United States, where it would have powered more trains, factories, homes, and really led us into the beginning of the 20th century. Something else really spectacular about Edelweiss is that it is a guest house. You can rent this home, stay right here in Natchez, Mississippi, overlook the Mississippi River. You're just about a block away from Rosalie, one of the city's most famous homes, right next door to the parsonage that has a fascinating story all of its own. Did you know that the wife of the first owner of Rosalie was so religious that she kept having ministers come and stay at Rosalie? Her husband got so tired of the ministers in his house that he built an extra house next door that they called the parsonage, and that's what it remains today. And it's just right there. Then if you come in the fall, you can watch the balloon festival. You can watch the balloons rise right here over the bluff, right off your front porch. We hope you've enjoyed this look inside Edelweiss, one of Mississippi's most spectacular and unique homes. We know we've had a wonderful time getting to peek inside. We've wanted to see this home since we moved here. We hope you've enjoyed this tour. Give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time on Preservation Travels with Lane and Kevin.